Hey everybody, welcome back to FSP Forex Stock Predictions. Hope you're all having a great day. I am the Vortex Trader, and today we are continuing with our video series on support and resistance. Today's video will be number 5 in the series. If you did not catch our last video, which was number 4, I will link it up at the top right hand corner of your screen right now, so check it out. Okay, let's get into it. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button on your way in, and let's get on with today's video. So today we are asking the question, does support and resistance work with all markets? Short answer, simple answer. The only answer, yes. Yes, always, everywhere, all the time. That is what I keep saying. Support and resistance does indeed work with every single type of market out there. So whether you are trading crypto or commodities or equities or ETFs or whatever you can think of, support and resistance works with it. This is how we identify levels. This is how we create a push and a pull between the bulls and the bears. This is how volatility gets created. This gives us the ability as traders to make money, because if there was no support and resistance, there would be no levels, there would be no buying, there would be no selling. Everyone would agree on the same price, and nothing would move. No assets would move, and there would literally be no Wall Street. All right, so let's get on with some examples. Okay, in my previous videos, you have seen all the Forex examples. I am an FX trader primarily, and you have seen how I have shown support and resistance across the FX market, the currency market, right? So let's just do a few examples of some other markets just so I can show you that support and resistance does work with every single market out there. So let's, for example, jump into Bitcoin. Okay, this is Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart. What can we see? Instantly, what do we see? I'm going to draw it right here. We see support. See, there's support. We have support working right away. Price comes down, tests this level, goes up, comes back down, tests this level, goes up, comes back down, tests this level, goes up, comes back down, and tests this level, right? We have resistance up above. Do you see how we can spot it instantly? These are levels that prices always bounce between, right? Support and resistance on crypto. Now, the same goes for every single other cryptocurrency out there, whether you trade Ether or XRP or Doge, it's going to be the same thing. You will find levels of support and resistance. All right, let's try gold, right? I do trade gold on occasion, and let's see what we got here. This is gold on the 4-hour. We can see straight away support and resistance. Can you guys spot it? Check this out. Here we got support. This is an interesting one because this is what we discussed in a previous video. This is just one example. Look, price comes down, tests the zone. Support, right? Bounces back up off it, comes back down. Support, right? Bounces back up off it, comes back down. Support, right? Now we finally break the support zone, come back up and retest it as resistance. So this is support, flipped resistance, right? What is it? It is old support becomes new resistance. Okay, so yes, indeed, support and resistance works across the commodities market, and this goes for all the, whether you're trading silver, whatever you want, you will find support and resistance zones. Here is some resistance. 1 tap, 2 tap, 3 tap resistance, right? Support, support, resistance, right? We can see it constantly. We got some support here. And these charts are up to date, so we are currently looking at these live prices, right? Support. Okay, so that would be gold. Let's, for example, jump into a stock. Let's choose Netflix. Let's see what Netflix is doing. Okay, let's see. There we go. Can you guys spot it? Instant support right there. Here we got support. Prices are respecting this area. 1 tap, bounces up, comes down. 2 taps, bounces up, comes down. Nearly a 3rd tap, bounces up, come down. 4th tap, do you see? Check it out. Here's some resistance right above. Where there is support, we can find resistance. Where there is resistance, we will find support. This helps us identify price levels very clearly, simply, and easily, right? Price is trending, price is trending. So we have Netflix, we've done Bitcoin, we've done gold. Let's do one more. Let's do an indice, right? Let's do the Dow Jones. Okay, US 30. Let's see what we got. Can you guys spot it? What do? We look for levels where price is struggling to break that keeps getting retested. And here we go. There's a level of resistance. Price comes down, retests this level. One tap. Price comes up again, retests this level. This is clearly a level of resistance. What was it before it was a level of resistance? Well, it was a level of support. Look at that. Price comes down, tests this level, bounces up off of it, comes back down, gives it one more test before finally breaking through and forming it into a level of resistance. You see how these zones keep getting flipped all the time. Here we got another one. Here's resistance up above. Let's put in that little zone right there. We can see price has been respecting that resistance. Phew, I mean, check this out. This is, look, all we have to do is extend this line all the way to the left, and we got some interesting stuff playing out here. We got support, 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 support that finally broke through and is now resistance, 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 resistance. Right? Then we saw it here. Support, finally broke through, flipped it to resistance, resistance. Do you see how this works? You see, guys, so the moral of today's story is that yes, price forms levels of support and resistance across the entire market. It doesn't matter what you are trading or buying or selling, you will have levels of support and resistance. Okay, so I hope this cleared things up for you. This was a short one, but nonetheless very important. All right, let's wrap this video up. Guys, thank you very much again for watching. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed today's video. And I will be seeing you all on the next one. Thanks for watching. See you later.